15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. Katakana English 1. Everyday Edition. I live in a mansion. That sounds strange. What should I say instead? It is an apartment. It is an apartment. Do you have a consent? That does not work. What is the correct word? It is an outlet. It is an outlet. I am a salaryman. That is Japanese English. How do you say it in English? I am an office worker. I am an office worker. Can I use a hotchkiss? That word is not used. What is the natural expression? It is a stapler. It is a stapler. Do you have a pen light? That sounds unnatural. What is it called in English? It is a flashlight. It is a flashlight. I want gasoline. That sounds too formal. How do people usually say it? Just say gas. Just say gas. I want to claim. That changes the meaning. What should I use instead? Make a complaint. Make a complaint. Do you have a driver? That means something else. What should I say? It is a screwdriver. It is a screwdriver. Please give me a sign. That means something different. What is the right expression? It is an autograph. It is an autograph. Is there service? Native speakers rarely say that. How would you say it? It means free. It means free. You are smart. That English has another meaning. How do you say slim in English? You are slim. You are slim. My tension is high. That sounds unnatural in English. What sounds natural? I am excited. I am excited. I will challenge. That sounds too strong. What is a softer expression? I will try. I will try. I am my pace. That is hard to understand. How would you say it naturally? My own way. My own way. I want revenge. That sounds very strong. What is a natural expression? Try again. Try again. It is an apartment. It is an apartment. It is an outlet. It is an outlet. I am an office worker. I am an office worker. It is a stapler. It is a stapler. It is a flashlight. It is a flashlight. Just say gas. Just say gas. Make a complaint. Make a complaint. It is a screwdriver. It is a screwdriver. It is an autograph. It is an autograph. It means free. It means free. You are slim. You are slim. I am excited. I am excited. I will try. I will try. My own way. My own way. Try again. Try again. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.